What up, YouTube fam? Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, go ahead and click that subscribe button. Happy Monday. I hope you're having a great start to your week. So tonight I'm doing a 3-strand twist, 4 big ones, and I'm going to share with you guys my hair journey, how long my hair was before any of this became natural, how I started becoming natural, how I was relaxed before. So I'm kind of just sharing everything that my hair has been through. If my hair could share a story, here's what it would say. So let's go ahead and get started. This wonderful mist bottle to loosen up my hair. I'm gonna share with you guys, but I learned the hard way, you don't comb on dry, natural hair. Not the best idea. I'm also using Kinky Curls Blueberry and Mint Scalp Treatment. My scalp usually gets itchy throughout the week, environment, dust, pollution, whatever, or just dryness, mainly dryness, but the environment also affects your scalp as well. And so usually it itches. I use this. It stops from itching for a good 2 to 3 days. So this is really, really good, and it oils your scalp as well. I'm also just using a Miracle Nectar by Whole Blends. It's from Garnier. It's a repair, leave-in conditioner. Made my hair really soft today and got this wonderful texture. And at the end, I'm gonna hold it down with some Cantu styling gel. Now you're probably looking like, she's using all these different products. They all work well together for my hair and what I'm doing. But usually on a typical hair wash day, I use the same conditioner, shampoo, and then I just stick with the products, oil, and then I use the same leave-in conditioner, same souffle, or some type of curling cream to style my hair for the week. And I hold it down with whatever gel is Eco Style, Cantu, any moisturizing gel, I use that. So I'm gonna go ahead and get started. And I was in Virginia, so I grew up in Virginia. My hair was relaxed. It worked for that time because I was a messy kid, and I always liked to play rough. So if I had natural hair, it would be broken off every day because I was just always rough with myself. So I really didn't know much about my hair. My mom did my hair for most of my life, and really wasn't into hair anyway. So I don't think I got into hair until I moved to Chicago. So we'll just fast forward to Chicago. When I was 16, I did the big chop. My hair was, I'd say, about to here. And for my, no, it was 16. I went to the hairstylist and she was like, so what do you want to do? Like, what do you want to do to your hair? I was like, I want some bangs. And then I was like, I want to also cut my hair. She was like, are you sure? And I'm like, yeah, I think I do. I think I want to cut my hair. So I did the big chop. So my hair used to be here, right? And I chopped it up to here. And my goodness, this is how the hair journey began. That's how it all started. My mom was at the time not happy about it because she was like, your hair was so long, and I had some other comments about it, like, your hair was so long, why did you do that? I was like, well, because, let me be right back. I gotta get a scrunchie. Actual hair journey didn't begin until college. So in the meantime, in high school, I still had, I was growing my hair out, trying to grow it back out, because I was like, well, I actually miss my long hair, so let's try to grow this back out. Now it's here. So it's almost getting to that, getting there, almost there. So fast forward to college now. When I was going to college, I was like, I don't want to I don't use any heat in my hair. I don't want to be relaxed anymore. I think I want to go on the natural route. I've learned so much from the ladies in Chicago, how they do their hair, and watching my mom go through her hair journey and the different videos she watched. I was like, I think I want to go natural. And I was like, well, this is a huge step. I don't know what natural means. So we're just going to try it. So freshman year, my hair was beginning to be, my relaxer was beginning to fade out of my hair, and I didn't realize the difference until one day. Here's where the combing comes in. One day I was combing my hair, and when you have relaxed hair, you can easily just put any type of comb through your hair, regardless how thick it is. You can put a comb through it. And so one day I was combing my hair, and I'm just finding it hard to comb. Like one side was like hard to comb and the other side was like still straight. And I called my mom and I was like, why is my hair, how come I'm not able to comb my hair? It's like puffy on one side and straight on the next. And she was like, well, maybe it's because you're becoming natural. And I was like, that's what that is. So my whole journey started there. I had to get new hair products to figure out what my hair liked. Had to kind of redo a lot of my hair routine. More about products, what to do, what not to do. I started learning about different twists, braids, and now I'm starting to do more protective styles more than anything. So that was big. This was sophomore year. And so now like all my relaxer was gone. So now I'm like completely natural. So now it's like, okay, what products work for me now? Okay, this works. Tried all types of stuff. It just wasn't working. The big thing is sometimes I'm not consistent on my hair like I should be. Like, especially in school, I wasn't as consistent. When I graduated from college, went to France for a month, my hair was destroyed from the sun. We were out in the sun pretty much every day, and I didn't have the right moisture for my hair. I didn't protect it. So when I came back from France, it was just literally damaged, and I had to, my mom helped me get it back in order. And so now I was doing styles where I wasn't tugging at my hair. So now I was wearing more bonnets. I would style my hair the night before, put a bonnet on, then the next morning take it off. I was ready to go. If my hair could speak, it would say, why did you cut me? It was beautiful before. Now you started something new. Okay, cool. Now you want it to become natural, so I'm going to change up on you. Now that I switched up on you, now you need to figure out a way to keep it maintained. Length is not always it. It's best to be healthy than have length. And so now here we are today, telling your story, our story, about how you got to where you are today. That's what my hair would say. As far as hairstyles, so I did try braids for a bit. My good friend, Charmaine, she did my hair. I purchased the hair and she put it in for me for free. And I thank her so much because I didn't want to pay a large amount and then not like it, and then I'm stuck with it. So it was really nice of her to do that for me. And I was able to kind of see if I liked braids. And we went on this service trip, and I had in braids for about 3 days. Y'all, I'm not gonna even lie, I got bored. I was like, okay, I need to do something different with my hair. I like to do different styles. If you see selfies that I take, my hair is always not the same. It may be the same style, but I may have switched it up with having it parted the other way. Like, I like to switch up my hair. And so if I get bored having braids in, I can't take them out if I just got them done. So I was stuck with them for a week. And so I was like, well, I don't like these type of braids. Maybe I'll like box braids. So I had box braids in for a good while. And y'all, my head was itching. At first, you know how it is. You get your braids in the first day, pulls at the edges, whatever. So I didn't know that experience at all. So I was going through the whole entire thing. So anyway, so after about a week, I was tired of my braids. I was like, I'm ready to take these things out. My scalp is on fire. It's itching every single day. I put oil in, it's not enough. I don't know what I'm doing. So it's like, I just might as well just go back to natural. Let me just get my hair back. And at the end of the day, I love being natural. I think every now and then I may get my hair blow dried to like trim it. And that's like every 6 months. Because it's always coiled up, so it's not like my ends are everywhere. And I haven't had split ends in a while, so I usually get my hair trimmed every 6 months. After graduated, my hair was damaged, so I had to get that back in order. Moving to Madison, my hairstyles didn't change. I learned how to do a 3-strand twist off a YouTube channel, off a YouTube video, because I thought that was really cool. And some of the girls on campus were doing them, and their hair turned out really beautiful. So as you can see, this is a 3-strand twist. It's different than a regular twist. A regular twist is just 2 strands that you're braiding together. But a 3-strand twist is different than braids too. People think braiding is the same. Braiding, I can't even explain it. It's like you're crisscrossing with braids, where twisting, you're kind of taking one strand, going over 2, taking another strand, going over 2, and you're just going back and forth to create this. This for me is a lot better. I don't do this when I wash my hair. But I do a 3-strand twist in the middle of the week when I want like a different curl pattern in my hair. I'll do a 3-strand twist. I've done Bantu knots. I'm not against Bantu knots, but I find them hard to sleep in. So if I wanted to do Bantu knots, I would want to do it for like a hairstyle, or if I knew I was going to take them out immediately, I would do Bantu knots like in the morning and take them out later on if I knew I was going to be doing something crazy. So I have my hair French braided. I don't know how to personally French braid. I would love to learn. I think I tried once. I didn't have enough patience with it, so that sucks. I guess if I sit down and actually pay attention and try it, I'll do it. But I've had my hair French braided. Loved that. What else? I feel like I've done it all. But overall, I would say I'm a very simple person when it comes to my hair. My typical hair wash day, I wash my hair every week and a half. Used to be 2 weeks, and you know, your hair structure changes and stuff. So now it's like every week or week and a half, I wash my hair. And usually I use a clarifier because during the week I use different products, just not different products all at once, but like, as you can see, I'm using 3 different products to do my hair right now. Even if I'm using the same product, I still build up for the week. So I do a clarifier, and then I do a regular shampoo. So I wash my hair twice, once with the clarifier and once with the regular shampoo, and it's moisturizing. And then I do a conditioner. And I usually, if I wanted to do, my typical routine is I leave it in for a good 10 to 15 minutes. I immediately twist my hair up or braid it. I usually do 4 braids on each side, put it up as a hairdo, and I keep that in for a couple of days. I'll do a 3-strand twist. We're gonna take it out the next day. And I usually use a leave-in conditioner. I'll oil my scalp first, then do a leave-in conditioner. I'll brush it out to get any loose hairs out. And then after that, I put in the curling cream, and then I lay it down with some gel to put my scarf on. And that's my wash day. Every now and then, but most of the time I have my hair down. So if you see my thumbnail, I have different phases of how my hair has gone through, from long to short to curled up to braided up, the whole 9. So kind of show you guys, like, yeah, we all go through it. We all try to figure out our hair texture. We all try to figure out our hair dynamic, and it's fun. I think it's interesting. But another thing too, I told her I would do this. So if you haven't, go ahead and check out Jeannie's first YouTube video. She did I believe a 3-strand twist as well on her hair routine, and go ahead and check her out. Show her some love, show her some support. You know, we gotta support each other on this platform. And she did a good job, and she's done my hair before too, and she's done a great job. So man, that's what I miss. I think for anything, I miss college because you can get some of the girls to do your hair. I didn't have everybody touch my hair, but I've had a few girls straighten my hair for my birthday. Appreciate y'all. Have my hair braided, do a 3-strand twist for me. Had my hair done for graduation. So I'm very appreciative of those who have helped me style my hair and get it healthy and stuff too. So yeah, so I'm gonna show you how I do a 3-strand twist. Like I said, there's plenty of videos of how to do it if you want a slow way of looking at it. So I'll just show you guys. So I just part my hair into 3 different strands. So this is how I have it right here. I take this one and I go over the middle, and I go over the 3rd, and I repeat. So I take the first one, go over the 2nd, the 3rd strand, and I repeat. And I just keep doing it until I get all the way to the bottom. And so it's different than braiding. Braiding, you kind of crisscross each one of those strands, but for this one, you're just kind of going over 2 and you're starting over again. But you're going over each one, so taking the middle over. So I'll start over. This strand goes over the middle and over the 3rd, and you just start over again. And this took me a long while to figure out, because I was like, how do you do this? What does this look like? But after I did, I was like, I like 3-strand twists better than regular twists. And another thing I learned too, each twist out you do is very different, at least for me. I see a different result in my hair. If I do a braid out, it's much more wavy. Twist out, I get a little curl and wave. If I do a twist, I get some curl. Yes, usually. And then if I just leave my hair as is, it gets puffy. And not a nice afro puffy, but like a dry, brittle puffy. So that's why I have to do my hair. I don't do my hair every night like I should, and I need to. Sorry, I'm like getting stuffed up over here. But usually if I don't do my hair every night, I put a bonnet on, make sure things are moisturized, and I put a bonnet on. But I have to be better at doing my hair every night because once it gets dry, it just becomes very, my scalp starts itching, and you know, it's time for dry hair, you know, and the edges are in fleek too, you know. Gotta make sure everything's healthy. So anyway, like I said, show my girl Jeannie some support and some love. She does a great job with her hair. Like I said, we're all trying to figure out our hair journey, things that work for us, products that work for us. I can always do another hair video and show you another way I do my hair as well. So thank you guys for watching. I hope you enjoy the start of your week. As always, dream, motivate, create, and I will see you guys in the next one. Peace.